Hello, everyone. You just saw the love that was portrayed by our Pakistani Muslim brothers. They love the church so much that they would climb up the church on top of the cross and they would chant Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. That's the love that they are showing to the cross, right? That's the amount of the love that they have. Let's watch again if it is not convincing to see the love. He is loving the church so much that initially he tried to demolish the church from the street level, but he couldn't get in the church. Then he climbed up to the church walls, and because the church is not complete yet, and the cross is on some metal bars and it has not been cemented, so he thought he can climb up and then swing it and break it down. He loves the church so much that he just wants to break it down. That's the kind of a love we receive. I'm dead sure that as soon as the news will actually come out, the news has not come out yet. In the Pakistani media, I have not seen any newspaper covering this as a news. But as soon as this news will come out, I'm quite sure the next day this guy will be pronounced as mentally unstable and he will get out of jail. He will get a free get out of jail pass so that he will go and try to demolish or try to sabotage another church very soon. At the same time, Christians are a minority, and the desecration of the church happens every other day. You have seen multiple videos in my channel already about the desecration of the church. You are just seeing another one. Welcome to Pakistan if you are a Christian. This is what's going to happen to you and your building, and this is happening to your buildings and to the people, Christian people, every other day. Let's just hope that Pakistani government is bold enough to set an example and put this guy behind bars for whatever number of years it is required per law, so that this guy or people like him won't do it again. But this is a norm and it keeps on happening. Let's pray for this country. Let's just hope they would get out of this hell which accepts nothing except destruction and killing. Thank you so very much for being here. Have a blessed day, evening, or night, wherever you are. May the peace of Christ be with each and every one of you. Yeshua Akbarul Azim.